south in this land we be gunning, and keep them shook crews running like they supposed to. They come around but they never come close to. I can see it inside your face, you're in the wrong place. Cowards like you just get their whole body laced up with bullet holes and such. Speak the wrong words, man, and you will get touched. You can put your whole army against my team, and I guarantee you it'll be your very last time breathing. Your simple words just don't move me. You're minor, we major, you're all up in the game and don't deserve to be a player. Don't make me have to call your name out, your crew is featherweight. My gunshots will make you levitate. I'm only 19, but my mind is older. When the things get for real, my warm heart turns cold. Another nigga deceased, another story gets told. It ain't nothing really, and your blood sparked the Philly, so I can get my mind off these yellow back niggas while they still alive. I don't know, go figure. Meanwhile, back in Queens, the realness, the foundation. If I die, I couldn't choose a better location. When the slugs penetrate, you feel a burning sensation, getting closer to God in a tight situation. Now, take these words home and think it through, or the next rhyme I write might be about you. Son, they shook, 'cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook, 'cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look. Living the life that is diamonds and guns. There's numerous ways you can choose to earn funds. Some get shot, locked down, and turn guns. Cowardly hearts and straight up shook ones, shook ones. He ain't a crook, son. He just a shook one. For every rhyme I write, it's 25 alike. But with so much I got you trust, safeguard on my life. Ain't no time for hesitation, the only leads to incarceration. You don't know me, there's no relation. Queensbridge, MC don't play. I don't got time for your petty thinking mind, son, I'm bigger than those. Claiming that you pack heat, but you're scared to hold. And when the smoke clears, you be left with one and you don't. 13 years in the projects, my mentality is what, kid? You talk a good one, but you don't want it. Sometimes I wonder, do I deserve to live? Or am I gonna burn to hell for all the things I did? No time to dwell on that, 'cause my brain reacts. Front if the joint kid lay on your back. I don't fake jazz, kid, you know I bring it to your life. Stay in a child's place, kid, you out of line. Criminal minds thirsty for recognition. I'm sipping, E and J got my mind flipping. I'm bugging, think I'm always out of hope for hustling. Get that loot, kid, you know my function. Cause long as I'm alive, I'ma live illegal. And once I get on them, I put on all my people. React quick, split lyrics like Max, I hit your dome up. When I roll up, the beat go sleep because I'm free. Son, they shook, 'cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook, 'cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook, 'cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook, 'cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Living the life that is diamonds and guns. There's numerous ways you can choose to earn